Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon lox, easy method. Start with a fresh salmon fillet, remove pin bones, and weigh it to calculate a 1 salt to sugar cure by weight. Mix dill, lemon zest, and cracked pepper into the cure and pat onto the fish. Wrap tightly, refrigerate for 24 hours, then rinse, dry, thinly slice across the grain for serving. Use a milder cure for lighter flavor or a stronger cure for a firmer texture while monitoring saltiness. Add citrus zest for brightness or smoked paprika for warmth, and experiment with 1/4 cup chopped dill per pound. Always use a non-reactive tray and weigh the fillet to maintain consistent cure ratios. After curing and rinsing, dry overnight on a rack to develop a silky exterior before slicing for serving. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Thanks. On another note, those cozy socks I wear while slicing make cleanup comfier. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you want comfier kitchen prep. Now let's get back to the video. Trim any remaining cure and pat the salmon dry before slicing to ensure clean edges. Use a long, sharp knife and pull the blade toward you in one smooth motion to create thin ribbons. Serve on toasted bagels with cream cheese, capers, and red onion, or use on salads and canapes. Store leftovers vacuum sealed for up to 3 days in the fridge for best quality and enjoy the silky texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.